Stock doesn't care what you paid. I mean, you have to remember, the stock doesn't even care that you own it. You are nothing to the stock. That stock is everything to you. The stock has no feelings about you. The only question with every stock, every day, and you don't do it this frequently, is, can I get more for my money someplace else?
What if I told you that just $100 could change your financial future forever? Sounds unbelievable, right? But the truth is, $100 isn't just spare cash. It's the seed that could grow your first business empire. In a world where inflation is eating away at savings, starting your own venture has never been more urgent. And guess what? The best time to start isn't tomorrow, it's today. So grab your notepad, because I'm about to share 10 profitable business ideas that cost less than your monthly Starbucks budget. And no, none of them involve selling your grandma's secret recipe on Etsy, unless she's cool with that. Stick around till the end, because you'll learn how to turn small beginnings into unstoppable momentum. Let's dive in. 1. Freelance writing. Do you have a way with words? Freelance writing is your golden ticket. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr allow you to market your skills to businesses willing to pay $50, $500 per article. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn what's trending. Oh, and for the record, the Oxford comma debate, it's still raging on, so choose your side carefully. Here's the kicker. Businesses are starving for content, blogs, emails, ads, you name it. Get started with free tools like Grammarly and Canva, and reinvest your first earnings into premium resources to level up. 2. Reselling on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Ever heard of the term flipping? This isn't about acrobatics, it's about buying low and selling high. With $100, hit local thrift stores or clearance sales. That vintage jacket you find for $10. Someone online might pay $100 for it. If you've ever wished you had more money in your account, this is your moment to create it yourself. Your smartphone's camera and a little hustle are all you need. A tip: focus on niche markets like retro tech or collectibles to stand out. 3. Social media management. Think your endless hours on Instagram were wasted? Think again. Small businesses often can't afford a full-time social media team. For $100, you can take a crash course in social media marketing on platforms like Udemy and offer your services. Quick quiz: how many TikToks does it take to go viral? No one knows, but you could be the one to find out. Start with one client, build a portfolio, and expand. Plus, this skill is recession-proof. Every business needs visibility. 4. Handmade crafts or products. Do you have a creative side? Start selling handmade products like candles, soaps, or custom jewelry. Platforms like Etsy and local farmers markets make it easy to connect with buyers. Imagine creating something with your own hands and watching it light up someone else's life. With $100, you can buy raw materials and packaging. Bonus: this business comes with a feel-good factor and scalable potential. 5. Online tutoring. If you excel in any subject, math, English, or even video game strategies, you can monetize your expertise. Invest in a good microphone and create a profile on platforms like VIPKid or Wyzant. Remember that time in algebra when you said you'd never need it in real life? Joke's on you now. Education is evergreen, and teaching others can teach you a thing or two about persistence and patience. 6. Dropshipping. This is one of the simplest ways to start an online store. With dropshipping, you don't hold inventory. You sell products directly from suppliers to customers. Use $100 to set up a Shopify store and run your first ads. Imagine waking up to sales notifications while still in your pajamas. Start small. Analyze what sells and scale strategically. 7. Pet sitting or dog walking. Love animals. Apps like Rover can connect you with pet owners in need of a sitter or walker. The upfront investment? A bit of marketing like business cards or ads, and maybe a dog leash. Warning: cuteness overload may occur. With a solid reputation, word-of-mouth referrals can turn this into a full-time gig. 8. Fitness coaching or personal training. Are you into fitness? Offer beginner training sessions at local parks or online via Zoom. Use your $100 to get certified or buy basic equipment. You're not just helping people look better, you're transforming lives. Health and wellness are multi-billion-dollar industries. Tap into them. 9. Virtual assistants. Businesses and entrepreneurs often need help managing emails, scheduling, or research. With $100, you can set up a website or pay for basic productivity tools. Think of this as being the Watson to someone else's Sherlock. Start with one client and let your efficiency speak for itself. 10. Photography services. Do you have a decent smartphone camera? Start offering basic photography services for events, social media content, or portraits. Use $100 for editing software or marketing materials. Capturing moments is priceless, but getting paid for it? That's next level. Capturing moments is priceless, but getting paid for it? That's next level. There you have it. 10 actionable business